In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Ink 2 Fine Liner in Krita. Ink 2 Fine Liner is a brush in Krita designed for creating thin, clean, and detailed lines. It's great for fine line art, outlines, adding texture, and creating detailed drawings that need precise strokes. Open the Brush Presets docker, search for Ink 2 Fine Liner, and select it. Start drawing with smooth and controlled strokes to create clean outlines and accurate details. Use this brush to refine sketches, add small features, and improve the clarity of your line work. For better results, keep your strokes steady and build your lines carefully. This brush works well for creating detailed sections of your artwork while keeping the lines sharp and consistent. Adjust the brush size depending on the type of work you are doing. Use smaller sizes for fine details, thin lines, and delicate areas. Increase the size slightly when you need stronger outlines or more visible strokes. Ink 2 Fine Liner is a great choice for artists who want precise line work, clean details, and a smooth inked finish in Krita. And that's how to use Ink 2 Fine Liner in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.